Here's a pheasant track right here.
Oh yeah, fresh, man.
Going this way.
Huh?
Going this way.
Yeah.
He's come. He's come. Right here. Here he is.
That's what we want.
Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Yeah. Still see it here.
Because I got pheasant tracks here too.
Yeah, there might be more than one. I'm sure they go out to the road here. They might cross into the cornfield. Let's follow those.
What?
Yeah, let's follow those ones. There's one walking right here.
What?
Oh, she might be pointing. Girl. Good girl. Good girl. Woo! Good girl, Hazy. Good girl. Woohoo! Dude, nice. You drilled him on the second shot.
Huh?
You drilled him on the second shot.
I might have hit some loins there.
That was a good one.
She just pointed that. Like,
She pointed it like, I was like, she might be pointing something. He was far away too.
good.
Wow, that's a pretty one. Big bird. Good girl.
Freaking sick.
Good girl, Easy.
Oh, that's a good job.
Good girl, Easy.
Good girl. Good girl.
Good girl. In the poofy jacket. Stop playing with her.
Stop playing with that girl.
Like she just turned on a dime and was like that.
Yeah.
Like frozen.
Because the wind is blowing this way.
Generally where the bird tracks lead is where they are.
Yeah.
All right, you stay behind. I'll shoot the next one.
Still on tracks over there? Oh, hear it?
Yeah, that's it. Good girl, I'm up.
Oh,
See it? Oh, I see it. It's running over here. It's running. This cedar right here.
in between us?
Right here. Right here. He's going down. Ah, crap. Right here's pheasant tracks. Fresh. Running. Yeah, that's probably a different bird, actually.
Fresh track here. Well, actually, yeah, that is pretty fresh. Something tells me we didn't get that one.
Is he still flying?
I'm out of shells, by the way.
All right. Well, he might be in this tree. Holy crap.
Tine marks.
All the way up there.
Oh, here, man.
Oh, yeah. Going. Pheasant back there. We walk right past it. Let's go. Yeah. Isn't this right where you shot the one?
No, that's probably down.
Okay. Girl. Come on. Good girl.
We got killed by coyotes here.
Oh. think I see one.
What?
I think I see one.
Where at?
Right behind Hazy. She might get on it right here. Yep.
You kidding me? I freaking see her.
I know, I couldn't see it.
Dang it, dude.
Dang. Dude, that might be a pheasant spot right there, like the spot on the spot. That last bird I shot with Hazy was like right there, pretty sure. This little strip of cedars right here.
Well, they're educated.
Yeah, those ones might survive for a while. Oh, we're gonna head back to the car. Thank you guys for watching. Hazy, what do you gotta say to the people?
Come on, Hazy. Come on out. That's pretty old.
Good girl, Hazy. Too far, Haze, too far, Haze. Right here, Hazy. Right here, Haze. Got him, Hazy. Got him, Hazy. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Gorgeous pheasant right there. I couldn't get my safety off there. So it took me a while to shoot. Beautiful pheasant. The sun shining off of it like that. Beautiful. And my GoPro was on too, Hazy. Look at that. All right, there's our one. See if we can go find another, maybe. Figured if there was a bird in here, it would probably be in this little section of, it's where the woods meets this little strip of CRP grass. There's these real thick cedars right here. And yesterday, Eddie and I were in here. We found probably 5 or 6 sets of tracks and flushed 3 pheasants out of it. So, of course, we suck at shooting, so we pretty much pushed them all away into the marsh. But I figured, you know, there's way more tracks than there were ones that we flushed. So I figured if we came back in, we might be able to get on another one. Hazy's still looking real birdie. I would not be surprised if there's another one sitting out here somewhere. That thing literally let me step on it. Got a big whiff of something, maybe. Oh! Hazy! Leave it! Leave it! Maybe got a possum. Oh! Himself. No. Hey, come here. Hey. No. Come here. No possums.